Hi everybody, it's Russell Markham here from VectorVest. Let's go and find those top performing stocks currently in Australia. Then what we're going to do is we're going to overlay some fundamental analysis to make sure that those stocks really stack up. So they have some very powerful fundamentals behind them. So not only do we want the growth, we want the financial backing behind them too. Before we get going here, let's just bring up our disclaimer statement there. Please note our license numbers. And then in addition, note general advice only. I cannot advise you personally. Past performance is not a guarantee of future results. I'll just leave the disclaimer statement for a few seconds there. All right, with that said, let's jump out of here and let's get into VectorVest. So in VectorVest 7 for Australia, so you can take out a trial if you need access, if you haven't got access already. 30 days for $9.95 USD, call it 13 Australian dollars. Give you access there for 30 days. And in your trial, if you're a subscriber, hop into VectorVest, click on the Uni Search tab, open up the Delta Searches stock group here. And this is the one you want to click on, 10-day top gainers. So if I run this as of the 14th of November, you can see some amazing returns here. So if I look at the first one here, Self Wealth Limited, I'll graph this given stock. You can see here, huge uplift. I'll just keep it on the price. Huge uplift in the price. Went from around about 13 odd cents to 25 cents. Amazing uplift in price. But if you're thinking what I'm thinking, a lot of investors think, a lot of investors don't like penny stocks, right? You want $1 or higher, or maybe just a bit worried that, some of these shares, it might be like, like a 40 cent or 15 cent share, or, 1 cent share. It might be too concerning for you. You want a bigger, robust type company, a bit more behind it, maybe a $2 or $3 type share or more. All right, well, let's do that. Let's come in here, go stocks, filter by. In fact, we won't filter it. We'll go price volume. How about that? Price, split adjusted, greater than or equal to, and I'll put in, say, $1. And then in order to make sure that these companies have got very strong fundamentals, we're going to use this indicator here, stocks, capital appreciation, relative safety. How safe is that stock? It's on a scale of 0 to 2. The higher above 1, the better. So in Australia, if you have a RS, relative safety score of 1.2 or higher, it's a pretty potent set of financials on average. So let's do it again. Let's go through and graph. Let's see one that jumps out. So here we go. Here's our first one here. Very nice uplift in the price. I'm going to put on this indicator here. I'll just change the style. I'll make it jump out just a tad more. So earnings per share. It's a 12-month leading forecast on the earnings for a company. And what we've seen over the years, of course, as earnings increase, so here it is, they started to pick up goes the share price. Not a bad one. Let's see if we can get a smoother correlation. Here we go. Zero. XRO.AX is a ticker code in VectorVest. Zero. Look at that. Beautiful set of earnings. As the earnings start coming up, so does the share price. And that's what we're after as investors. We want to find those companies breaking out, but also they need to be sustainable. They need the earnings behind those companies. You can see the earnings there driving that share price higher. And that's all there is to it. Hop into VectorVest, find your top gainers, back it up to make sure they've got good fundamentals, and you're all set. Hope you like what you saw there today. Until next time, bye for now.